Welcome to the back of my parents' car. We're gonna go out and visit a fire lookout. It's a short little hike.
And that's all the intro I got at the time. Let me tell you a little bit more about what's going on. So my family was in town. They like to go do stuff. I've had this fire lookout on my radar for quite a while and knew it was just a day trip, so I suggested we go do that. At this point, I just believed it was a quick 2.5 mile hike, but it actually ended up being even less effort than that. Let's hit the road.
So I was under the impression that we'd have to stop at a gate before we could go up, but we were able to drive the Camry right through. There wasn't any no trespassing signs, so we're still driving and the road's pretty good. This little Camry's handling it just fine.
I know I mentioned these people were family, but you might be wondering who they are a little more specifically. The guy on the left there, that's my grandpa, my mom's dad. He is not the most able these days. His legs and feet have betrayed him, so he's just along for the ride. On the right there's my dad driving. He's been on the channel before, along with my mom on stuff like the Bowen Lake Circuit and other little mini appearances. And of course, my partner Leah sitting next to me on my other side. And this is Menko. She wishes she was free.
That is going to be our right near here, I believe. Yep.
That right there?
Yep.
This is our end of our road then.
Okay.
Okay. I don't think I'm gonna go up there.
That's fair enough.
No. Our hike got dramatically.
I don't know, not more than a couple 3/10, I don't think.
Yeah, by taking the Camry off-road like that, we managed to cut almost 4 miles off of our hike. It was supposed to be 2.5 miles each way, and now it's only going to be maybe a half mile tops each way. So not too bad, but we're not getting in as much exercise as we were kind of hoping.
Well, we didn't see a single no trespassing sign, so the Camry got us a lot further than we thought it was going to. We don't actually have much of a hike at all. Hopefully the gate down there isn't closed on us when we try to leave. Our fire lookout is just up the hill this way. Can you believe he didn't want to drive the Camry up this? I would have brought the Subaru or something, but I didn't think we were going to make it this far. Leah is at it again with the sandals. And Leah forgot her hiking shoes, so she's rocking socks and sandals. Animals have been through here. The view is starting to come into view. That's not too bad. I know this view of this little lake down here, kind of nice.
Yeah, I'm really enjoying that.
I've seen a photo of it.
Yeah.
I think so.
Why'd you come up here then?
Take my own photos. Oh, there it is. Well, I guess this is all that's left of this one. Well, it's not terribly much to write home about, but we had to come see it. I'm guessing when it was first put here, the trees weren't quite as big. Kind of interesting is that through the trees here, you can actually just see neighborhoods. This one's a lot more urban than a lot of them. The car. Well, that was certainly less effort than we thought it was going to be. We're gonna head down and enjoy the entire time at a lake now. That's another fire lookout checked off the list. Assuming we make it down from here in the Camry. I'm not trying to get a shot of him. I'm gonna get a shot of the road.
So that's nice. Oh, I'm sure that's good for his driving.
He's going slow. Yeah, based on my research, the gate there was supposed to be closed and we were gonna have to walk from there. So we cut just about 1.7 miles off of our hike. No, 1.5 miles.
Each way.
Yeah, each way. Well, the little park down by the lake was super busy, so we're gonna go explore Spirit Lake, the town, not the lake here, and that includes their cute little downtown and the park just over there.
You can't. What the heck?
There's gotta be a ground down here somewhere. I can't see it. In the park, there was this nicely painted sign that was kind of an interesting read about an old folk tale, I guess a legend as they call it on the sign. Of course, you can pause and read the whole thing here, but I don't know, this park was really well put together. We had a good time in it. And that was the last piece of footage I recorded on this trip. I didn't record an outro or anything. That's another, you know, also why you might have noticed that there's a little less footage and whatnot on this specific video, because, you know, I was there most to spend time with family, but I also wanted to document it, you know, for myself, for my own records, and of course to put up on here for you to come with me. This obviously isn't the most exciting fire lookout I've ever been to, so if you like seeing fire lookouts, if you like seeing beautiful views, make sure to go check out my channel. There's also some playlists in the description of my favorite videos and visiting every standing fire lookout, so there's lots of good stuff. If you like this video, you should love the other videos that I have. So if you're new here, go check those out, because this is not my best work, but just it needs to be here for, you know, record keeping. So yeah, leave a comment, do all the engagement things. It does help the channel, and I will see you again next week. Thanks for watching.